Bear Attack Lego Dresser Case Study. Boom! I got this dresser for free. I pimped it out and sold it for $450. But was it worth the grind? Let's take a look. 12 hours labor approximately. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Some expenses. Okay. So we're looking at a $375 net profit. That turns out to be $31 an hour. This was not a big financial win for me, but it was a huge morale booster. Look, I'm trying to get back into the furniture flipping game. I'm dreaming of making this my full-time gig. I need some life changes. Capiche? This is it. I just had to wet my beak a little bit. And don't hate on me for painting this dresser. It had a laminate top, alright? And let's be real, the paint job wasn't perfect. But I love doing this. I love this furniture. I mean, look at these metal poles. Okay, so is it worth the grind? One way or another, it's always worth the grind.